Okay, here we're looking at some walnut blasting, one of the most effective maintenance procedures for Mini Cooper direct injection engines. That's the N14 and 18B series. Because of how these engines are actually designed, Mini Coopers use direct fuel injection, which means the fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber. So there's no fuel that washes over the intake valves. Normally, few detergents help keep the intake valves clean. On direct injection engines, oil vapor from the PCV system, turbo blow-by, and valve stem cells sticks to the hot intake valves and bakes into hard carbon deposits, which we've seen here. And over time, this restricts airflow. You have poor valve sealing, and you can have turbulent intake flow. Now, what walnut blasting actually does is you get fine crushed walnut shells, and we use compressed air and a seal adapter to keep the walnuts from getting all over the engine compartment. And the shells are hard enough to remove the carbon, but they're soft enough not to damage the valves, the seats, or the aluminum head. And they safely blast the carbon off the valve face and stem, restoring the valve to near bare metal. No chemicals, no scraping, no metal tools. So guys, if you have a Mini Cooper and if you need your intake valves clean, give me a call. Mini Cooper Service Center.